Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice in an electric cooker. First, measure your desired amount of rice. A good starting point is 1 cup for 2 servings. Next, rinse the rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, leading to fluffier rice. Then, transfer the rinsed rice to your electric cooker's pot and add the correct amount of water. For most white rice, use 1 1/4 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Once your rice and water are in the pot, place it securely into the electric cooker base. Close the lid firmly to ensure proper steaming. Now, simply select the cook or white rice setting on your appliance. The cooker will automatically detect when the water has been absorbed and the rice is cooked, then switch to a warm setting. Avoid opening the lid during this process to maintain consistent temperature and steam. After the cooker switches to warm, resist the urge to open it immediately. Let the rice rest for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly fluffy grains. Once rested, open the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. This separates the grains and releases any remaining steam. Your delicious, perfectly cooked rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed. For best results, remember not to lift the lid while the rice is cooking, as this releases steam and can affect the texture. A small pinch of salt added with the water can also enhance the flavor of your rice. Experiment with different rice types, like brown rice, but adjust the water ratio accordingly. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.